Hello GeoBuddies. I hope all is well. Thank you so much for your continuous support and love. Now today I will talk about the mica group of minerals. Come to the structure. As a group, mica minerals have considerable variation in physical and chemical properties, but they are all characterized by platy morphology and basal cleavage, which is consequence of their layered atomic structure. Mica group of minerals belong to phyllosilicates group, which are leaf-like and soft, low specific gravity and flexibility are characteristic feature of micas. The basic structure of mica is a composite sheet in which a layer of octahedrally coordinated cations is sandwiched between two identical layers of linked SiAlO4 tetrahedra. Three of the four oxygens of the tetrahedral are shared with neighboring tetrahedral, leading to silicon-oxygen ratio is 2:5. The oxygen atoms that are shared between tetrahedral are called bridging oxygens. Non-bridging oxygens or apical oxygens from hexagonal rings and hydroxyl ions are located in the center of six-fold rings of tetrahedra at the same height as unshared apical oxygens. Different sheets are linked by weak bonding by alkalis. Bonding within a sheet is much stronger than bonding between sheets. So because of the presence of alkalis, weak bondings are present between two sheets of micas. And here you can see the basic layered structure of mica showing linked by bonds to silicon, aluminum or magnesium. Here you can see the arrangement of the TOT layer. That means tetrahedral layer, octahedral layer and tetrahedral layer. So this is the atomic structure of mica. This is the larger view showing interlayer alkalis responsible for weak bonding between layers. Now come to the chemistry of the mica group of minerals. So general formula is X2Y426 Z8O20 OHF whole 4, where X indicates potassium, sodium or calcium, but also barium, rubidium, cesium, etc. Y indicates aluminum, magnesium and bivalent iron. Z indicates silicon, aluminum, sometimes titanium and trivalent iron. Mica group of minerals can be subdivided into two classes: dioctahedral micas when Y is 4 and trioctahedral micas when Y is 6. A further subdivision can be made according to the nature of principal X constituent. In the case of common micas, where X is potassium and sodium, and in the case of brittle micas, where X is calcium. So you can see in this table different kinds of micas: dioctahedral micas and trioctahedral micas. So on the basis of the different X, Y, Z atoms, there are two categories in each group. In the case of dioctahedral micas, common micas are muscovite, paragonite, glauconite, and in the case of brittle micas, margarite. Now come to the trioctahedral micas. Common micas are phlogopite, biotite, zinwaldite, lepidolite, and brittle micas are clintonite and xanthophyllite. Now come to the physical properties of micas. As a group, they all are isomorphous and related to monoclinic system. Except for phlogopite, biotite, there is no solid solution between mica members. Each of them represent end member compositions. Extensive replacement of silicon by aluminium occurs. Percussion figures. When a plate of mica is lightly pressed by a steel punch, then a 6-rayed star appears, which is known as percussion figure. 3 cracks constitute the 3 stars. When viewed under polarized light, it is called asterism, which is star-like rays of light being transmitted. Biotite and glauconite have ferrous as well as ferric iron. Luster is vitreous to pearly. Hardness is generally 2 to 4. 2 on cleavage and 4 away from cleavage. Specific gravity is 2.8 to 3.4. Now come to the paragenesis. First point is muscovite is common mica or potash mica. Acid igneous rocks constitute main host. Mica is common mineral of metamorphic rocks. Mica schist, phyllites, gneisses of low medium grade metamorphism. It is a very common constituent of detrital sedimentary rocks like shale, micaceous sandstone, etc. Silicite, tamorite, gilbertite are secondary micas due to alteration of feldspar, aluminosilicates, etc. Lepidolite occurs in pegmatites and is mostly associated with tourmaline, topaz, etc. Biotite is a black form of mica, occurs in all igneous rocks such as granites, diorites, gabbrotes, etc. Occurs abundantly as a mineral of metamorphic origin in biotite schist, gneisses, biotite hornfels. Hoctonite and lepidomeline are varieties of biotite rich in iron. Now come to the phlogopite. Typical of ultramafic rocks such as kimberlites, lamproites, also results from de-dolomitization of impure limestones and is found in association with forsterite, diopside, etc. Paragonite occurs in schists and phyllites, which are morphosed rocks. Glauconite is an orthogenic mineral of marine sedimentary rocks. It is widely referred to as green sands. So this is all about the mica group of minerals related to their structure, chemistry, physical properties and paragenesis. So friends, if you think these videos are very helpful, please do share with your friends. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning.